What's in Section F of your Social Security disability claim? The Social Security Administration will organize your claim file into 6 different sections. And we're going to talk about Section F. Now, there's lots of important information in Section F that can make or break your claim. It contains a cooperative disability investigation unit report of any investigation conducted of you. Crucial. Medical records, including treatment records, hospital records, laboratory and imaging reports and findings, outpatient notes. There might be consultative examination reports that Social Security has secured about you. There might be medical opinions, analysis, and residual functional capacity assessments done by Social Security medical personnel. There might also be school records, including multidisciplinary evaluations or psychological evaluations. There might even be letters of unsuccessful attempts that Social Security has made to obtain medical evidence about your claim. There also might be this SSA 4734 Residual Functional Capacity Assessment Form, SSA 2506 Psychiatric Review Technique Form, and of course there might be medical expert interrogatories and responses sent by Social Security or by a judge to medical providers, including a copy of their resume. So why is all this really important in your Social Security disability claim? I think there are a number of reasons. Obviously, your medical records can make or break your claim. One of the first things that Social Security is going to determine is whether or not your medical problems are expected to last at least a year, or have lasted at least a year, because you need to meet that duration requirement. Your medical records should address the length of time that you've had these problems and the severity of your medical problems. If your disability has lasted less than 1 year or your condition is anticipated to improve, the Social Security Administration is going to deny your claim immediately because you just don't meet that particular requirement. Now, once you get past that hurdle, the question is going to be whether or not you have restrictions and limitations that will preclude you from doing your past work, the lightest job you are capable of doing in the 15 years before you became disabled, or other work in the mythical, hypothetical, not real-world national economy. Therefore, it's really crucial that your medical records speak to your ongoing symptoms and your functionality, and of course, be supportive of your claim. If your medical records don't speak to your residual functional capacity form, I think it's important that you get your physician to complete the applicable residual functional capacity form. Now, Social Security will never tell you about those forms, and lawyers like myself will pick out the ones that are applicable to your case. They're going to document things like your ability to sit, stand, walk, stoop, bend, and lift. It's really important that your physician document in your medical records the extent and nature of your problems, your symptoms, and functionality. And that can make or break your claim. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the benefits you deserve.